tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 21 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Saxophone, in which we extend the scale and arpeggio of B minor to 2 octaves. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. To play B minor for 2 octaves, you will need to start on the lowest tonic, which will require you to use the fingerings for B and C sharp on the left-hand 5th finger keypad. These keys have been fitted with rollers to enable you to slide your finger between the 2 keys without lifting it. It is important to learn to do this smoothly so that we don't hear an unwanted note between the 2. In particular, do not lift the finger as you move. If the mechanism is not correctly aligned, you can get stuck when trying to push your finger forward from the C sharp key to the B key. If you find this happening, you will need to get a qualified repairer to make the necessary adjustment. Exercise 41 helps with this tricky finger movement. Here is the scale of B minor for 2 octaves. And here's the arpeggio of B minor for 2 octaves. Practice Plan 21 begins with exercise 41 and this scale and arpeggio. There are then 18 more items on day 1, which may seem rather a lot to get through. If you have been completing all the practice plans meticulously throughout this process, these items should be very familiar to you, and you should be able to play them all correctly at the first attempt. Let's see how long it takes. That's well under 2 minutes, a short but essential part of your daily practice. Be sure to complete the practice plan thoroughly before moving on to lesson 22.